hard for me to say the things I wanna say sometimes. There's no one here but you and me, and that broken old street light. Lock the doors, leave the world outside. All I've got to give to you are these 5 words a night. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes. I couldn't see, for parting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. I never knew I had a dream until that dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the sky's a different blue. 'Cause my heart, I wear no disguise. If I try to make believe, but you believe my lies. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes. And I couldn't see, for parting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Oh, for loving me.
When she was a young girl, she used to play with me. I was her best friend. We were inseparably. We loved to ride our bikes, playing hide and seek, sneaking out at night, dancing in the street. I look back at the time, now I realize she loved to play with fire. Should have seen it in her eyes. I should have seen it in her eyes. Deep inside, you cry, cry, cry. Don't let your hopes die, die, die. Oh, deep inside, you cry, cry, cry. Don't let your hopes die, die, die. No. La 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 la. Hey, hey, hey. She fell in love for the first time. He was older than her, and then he made her do things first she wouldn't dare. She left everything behind, couldn't find a place, running through the night, losing all her faith. She drugs away the pain, turning off her lights, but still she makes it seem like everything's alright. Like everything's alright.